In the previous session, we already done a job to create and destroy the review for a room. Now this text field and the button doesn't look great, so we're going to add some style on it to make it look nice. In our project, open F, Views, Reviews, and Form. Now the first thing we want to do here, just try to create a div with the form group class. And moving this one to here. Now we're going to change this one from text field to text area. This one rows, let's say for three rows, and for the class we say form control. Alright, so this one is a class from the Bootstrap that we're going to use. Alright, so the last thing we want to do for the submit button, let's say create. Alright, so the class we're going to use is btn and btn primary. Alright, save it. Now refresh our web browser. Okay, so awesome, it looks a bit nicer and you got a nice button. Now let's try to create a review here, so 4-star. Awesome. So now we have a review for this room, and we also want to display all of the review for this room and other rooms that belong to Leo. So if you scroll a bit up, so this is the Leo's room, and for that reason, if you go into the user 7, which is the Leo's info page, now here we want to display all of the reviews for every single room that Leo has. So for example, Leo has 2 rooms, and this one got 1 review, this one got 2 reviews. Then we want to display 3 reviews in here. So 1 for this room and 2 for this room. Back to our project. Now first thing I just realized that you need to open F, Views, Reviews, and List. And here, yep, so here I'm missing the R here, got a typo here, so it should be image circle. Now the next thing you want to do is open F, Views, Users, and show.html.yb. Okay, so here we got a listing of the room. Now we're going to do the same thing for the reviews list. Let's say we've got h4, and this one say reviews, make a break. Right, so first we're going to look through every single rooms that we have. Okay, so for every single room, we're going to check if room dot reviews blank. So we're going to check if room dot reviews is not blank, then we're going to do something here. Right, what we want to do, actually, we want to get all of the reviews before all of the reviews for every single room, and we're going to look through every single reviews that we have. Right, so for each reviews, we're going to create a new row, and we're going to create 2 columns for each row. So this one should be 10. Alright, so for the first one, I'm going to put a text center, and we're going to display the avatar, avatar of this review.user, and with the class should be image circle and avatar medium. Now just make a break here, and also we display the review.user.fullname. Alright, looks good so far. Now for the second columns, obviously, first we display the link to the room, and we could say listing name and link to the room, make a break. And for second one, we're going to display the review.command itself. Right, make a break here. And the last thing we want to display, obviously, is a time. So we say review.created@.stringf_time, and should be %v. Now refresh our web browser. Okay, so now we can see the reviews because we already got one review, so that's why you can see one. But if you make another reservation on the other house or the other room, and you will see the other reviews here as well. Now we got the Leo house, we got a comment, and we got a time. Alright, if you click here, it's going to the room 3, which is this one, where we have the review here. That's it guys, well done, and I'm glad that you go to this far. You should take a break now and review what we have done so far, and after that, be ready for the next challenge.